for most logical reasons, I'm not going to visit my grandmother. If I have been visiting practically the most worst Albert Heijn in those comments, with me not looking so well lately, and that coat, and yeah, it's not exactly the kind of payback you don't want. Yeah? And a week or 6 later, you got cancer. But on the other hand, well, I think that one making those remarks, yeah, deserves it. You better do not say stupid things before you know everything about somebody. Even more worse when it is that one doesn't even know he has cancer, but at least he knows he has a lung complications from sarcoidosis and drops weight by that already. So there were already a lot of people there saying that was completely wrong with you did. So and that's why I then still return here and there, trying to forget about it. And of course not, but yep. Oh, and tomorrow again. This kind of weather. But at least if I can bring a bit of spice to the evening. Okay, I had a chit chat again. Nice. Rest by rain.